Hello everybody, now we want to talk about anti-theft. Anti-theft is to protect your computer in case of a loss or theft. Choose from the following option to register your computer with Eset anti-theft. Simply go to Tools, Anti-theft. You should to create an account. Create account. Okay. Click Next. Eset adding new device. Now also create account online. The Eset go directly to the browser to create an online account. Put your name, your email address, your password, new password, and confirm your new password. Also put your country and agree the Eset terms of use. Password. Okay, confirm your password. Now we agree the Eset terms of use. Now click to create new my Eset account. Now we want to create your identity name. Okay, here we have my devices. Name of device desktop TDL7HA1. Okay. We can optimize this device also by create a phantom Windows account, because all of your Windows user account are password protected. A phantom Windows account is crucial for anti-theft to work properly. A phantom Windows account is a fake Windows user account that a safe can log into. It allows Eset to effectively protect your device. Set up a phantom Windows account. Create new name, for example Tom. Okay, now we have our device here. Thank you very much. Now in the case of theft, click this button. My device is missing. Thank you.